Okay, so I put these crochet twists in a wig. Crochet twists? I don't know. These spring twists in a wig and in a wig cap. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, I hooked these in. My nephew helped me because, the tool and the color of the hair was distracting him from schoolwork. So, yeah, that's what we did anyway. So, that wig cap has like a little lace part. Honestly, I mean, it doesn't bother me, but it's just weird. I'm gonna put the link in the description too because, I mean, it actually really helps a lot. I don't know about if you were to do anything else because I can't say that I'm an expert at putting hair in. And yeah, I was helping do schoolwork while I did this. But yeah, it turned out nice. What I need to do is, I think for this one, I'm gonna probably do something else with the spring twist once I what do you call that? Once I get done wearing it springy, because I want to either actually properly twist it up like a normal person would, and or I might brush it out and turn it into an afro. Because I mean they aren't that expensive. That's me trying to teach my nephew how to hook it on. Yep, a lot of trial and error. But yeah, these aren't that expensive, let's be for real. It didn't do the whole cap, which is good because that's just too much hair as it is. But I love those spring twists. Like they have so many different colors, and I'm also put that link in the description. It's really that hair is fire, like literally fire. But I don't know if I particularly like the coloring and everything on me, but it looks nice. It really does look nice. Me and my beat up mannequin. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. I like it. I like it. Yeah, I don't have much else to say in here, but because these loud people out here, I don't know if you can hear them or not, but yeah, why can I hear them through that door? Who knows? Anyway, like I said, I like the wig. It turned out nice. Um, what else am I thinking about here? What else? Nothing. Like I said, I'm probably going to either twist it up properly, humans. I'm either going to properly twist it up or brush it out into an afro. I just didn't want to cut it because what's going to happen if I brush it out into an afro, hopefully it doesn't get so long. But if I cut any part of it, it like ruins it because there's all those different colors and yeah, it's pretty cool. It's really not a wig for dancing, as I have learned, because the springs go all over the place. But maybe if I style it or something. But, yep, I like it. I'm not going to say that again. Goodbye.